Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about build and sell themes online. If you have a good coding skills and are particularly good at front end development, you can build a business out of your skills by creating and selling website themes online. Depending on your skill set, you can build themes for WordPress and sell them on theme for Forest. However, if you have limited knowledge about WordPress, you can build your time using Bootstrap, CSS, HTML and JS. JS means JavaScript, and then publish it on Get Bootstrap. And next is consistency and persistence will go a long way in turning this small business idea into reality. Build and sell themes is also a very inspiring themes online. So it is also a very good business, and especially some homes will be there in mountains and in ocean borders and river borders. Those are highly demanding, and like you can do those themes also. Especially we are creating the themes, especially in WordPress and web designing. You are acquainted with the experience and the skill, you can do in themes yourself. Especially themes are going very well in online, especially the themes on mountains, houses on mountains, houses on ocean borders, houses on river borders. These are highly demanding, and apartment themes also is good, but you should have some decorative furniture, and all these are there, and then comfortable furniture. So always think about that. Common man is the main interaction with all these themes. If common man is satisfying with those themes, it is a successful theme to all. So by these themes also you can earn and you can inspire. By having all these themes, you can have an inspiration, and your life will be joyful by seeing those themes also. And these are also having very good demand. You can suppose if your theme is successful, you can purchase directly, or otherwise you can go for rental also for those themes for a certain period. So it is also a successful business and service also. Wishing you all the best.